Hey squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So the episode we got this cool mitt right here, and basically what these are some reusable ice packs that you use for like pain relief or can help you guys cool down during the hotter days or like summertime, etc. So first I'm actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, this is what the inside looks like. So when you guys take it out, they basically provide you guys two of everything. So they provide you guys two of these right here that are shaped like a circle. They provide you guys two of them that are shaped this way. They provide you guys two of them that are shaped this way. And then for the last two is shaped this way. You can see it's like a circle as well, but this one's like a bigger circle than the other one. So when you guys put it side by side, you can definitely see the difference that's on here. This one's much smaller and this one's much bigger. And they also explain to you guys how to actually use it. They mention how you can use it as a heat therapy or cold therapy. But I don't think you guys actually use like the heat therapy option, especially if you guys put it in microwave because it might melt the product. But you definitely do have the option to use the cold therapy option. So all you need to do is just put this into the freezer or refrigerator for a certain amount of time like they recommend right here, and then you can start using it. So on the instruction they do mention how you can put it into like ice water or freeze there for around like 20 to 30 minutes. But you don't want to freeze it for too long because it will definitely get hardened. But that is everything that's included in this set. Before I actually put this into the freezer, let me actually check the temperature that's on here first. Alright, so I do have my temperature checker right here. If you shoot the laser on the product, it shows 75 degrees. Now let's put it in the freezer for around like 20 minutes and then come back and check on it. So I'm gonna put it in the freezer right here. Alright, so I just put it into the freezer. We'll leave it in there for around like 20 minutes and then come back and check on it. Alright, so it's been around like 20 minutes. Let me actually take it out to show you guys what the product looks like now. Alright, so once you guys take it out, if you see there's a lot of like fog on here or a lot of mist on the actual product, and when you guys feel the product, it definitely feels much colder now. But let's use our temperature checker to check the temperature first. So if you guys push a button, if you see the temperature that's on here is much colder. Now it's at 33 degrees. So whether you want to put this onto your arm or you want to put this on your face, you guys can definitely use it how you guys want to actually help you guys with pain relief. And also give you guys the option to help you guys cool down like I mentioned during like the hotter days like summertime, etc., which is really convenient. And when you guys use the product, it does give you guys the option to use it on this side or the other side, which is really cool. And it's actually really cool how they provide guys so many different sizes of the ice pack, so that we can use it for different situations, whether it's like armpit, your arms, your shoulders, your neck, your legs, or any other part of your body. You definitely have more than enough in this set for you to use all of them at the same time if you guys want to. But that is everything that's on the product. Now the unboxing and testing product. Now the end question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for some high quality reusable ice packs that has the same design that's on here. Then I definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.